Updated and meticulously maintained, 2273 West Island has the best living space inside and out. The quality of construction shows in the custom millwork, hardwood floors and built-in cabinets. The transitional floor plan has space for both formal and casual living. 2 ensuite bedrooms on the first floor are for multi-generational living. There are 2 additional bedrooms on the second floor. The finished bonus rooms can be used in so many ways, such as a home office, exercise room or playroom. Relax on the screened porch to enjoy the views of the golf course and the James River. The custom-designed stone patio includes a wood-burning fireplace for cool fall evenings. The nature path, beach, pools and country club are all a part of life in Governor's Land. This all-brick custom home is ready for you to make a move.